Somewhere right now, an algorithm just traded based on a stock price change faster than you can blink. I write that code for a living. I get asked, what is it I actually do in my job all the time? So here's the real answer. I studied computer science and engineering at uni. After I graduated and moved to London, I was mainly looking for software engineering roles, but I landed a job at a hedge fund where I was responsible for writing trading algorithms. It was a new company, so we were building out the entire system from scratch. This basically gave me the opportunity to learn everything down to the smallest detail, and it was how I went from just writing code to understanding markets. Quick context, algorithmic trading. So back in the day, people just stood on the trading floor shouting prices at each other to make a trade happen. Now it's all done by algorithms, which have built-in mathematical models that can track live market data and take trading decisions in microseconds. Now, working at this hedge fund meant that I was on the buy side doing market making. That means the company is using its own capital to provide bid and ask quotes on the market. The main goal is to capture the spread, which is this tiny difference between the bid and ask price. It sounds small, but to do that thousands of times a day, it adds up really fast. Then later on, I moved on to the sell side at an investment bank where we trade on behalf of clients. Just to give you an example, let's say an institutional client wants to buy 500,000 shares of a stock. They can't just hit buy and trade it all at once because it would move the market and it would cost them a lot of money. So they hand over the order to an investment bank instead. And that's where I come into the picture, writing and improving those algorithms that trade these massive orders. The goal is to provide the best execution to the client, so beating a specific market benchmark while keeping the order size hidden from everyone else. And if you want to see a video where I break down the most common sell side strategies, just let me know in the comments below. So that's my job in a nutshell. If you enjoyed this video, like and follow for more.